Is Trump's new meme coin the next Dogecoin, or just another flash in the pan? Let's dive deep today because the reality might surprise you more than you think. You might be wondering, is this my chance to get rich overnight, or is it another risky bet that could backfire? Either way, understanding the full picture is critical before making any move. Welcome to today's video where we break everything down, from what Trump's meme coin actually is, to why it matters, and how smart beginners like you can navigate this craziness safely. If you are completely new to crypto, do not worry. We will explain everything simply, clearly, and in a way that builds your confidence, not confusion. No technical jargon here, just straight talk. By the end of this video, you will not only understand Trump's meme coin better, but you will also know the smart strategies that real investors use to survive and thrive in hype-driven markets. Let's start with the basics. Meme coins are cryptocurrencies created primarily for fun, humor, or viral appeal, often without serious business models behind them. Dogecoin, the first major meme coin, started as a joke but exploded in popularity thanks to internet memes, celebrity endorsements, and a passionate online community. Shiba Inu followed a similar path, gaining fame by riding the viral wave that Dogecoin started. Both made early investors massive returns, but they also taught harsh lessons. Trump's meme coin is entering this wild arena, but with one major difference. It comes attached to one of the most recognizable names and brands in global politics. Officially, it's still unclear whether Trump personally endorses the coin. Some sources suggest informal connections. Others believe it's an opportunistic branding move without direct involvement. Regardless of the truth, the Trump name alone commands headlines, emotions, and reactions worldwide. And in crypto, attention is currency, sometimes even more valuable than technology. In a market driven by hype, narrative, and emotion, having a strong brand can catapult a project's visibility faster than years of technical development could. Imagine two coins, one launched by anonymous developers, another linked to a global celebrity. Which one do you think gets more attention? Exactly. And attention can mean rapid price swings. However, it's crucial to separate short-term hype from long-term potential, which is what most beginners miss in the frenzy of new launches. Now, let's explore why Trump's meme coin is making so much noise in the media and crypto circles alike. First, Donald Trump remains one of the most polarizing figures in modern history. Whether you love him or hate him, you probably have an opinion about him. That kind of polarization creates viral momentum. People share, debate, and discuss anything linked to Trump, fueling attention on anything associated with his brand. Second, meme culture today is bigger than ever. Memes are the language of the internet. They spread ideas faster than news outlets, sometimes reaching millions within hours. Third, the timing is perfect. Post-2024 elections, political discussions are hotter than ever. Anything involving decentralization, money, and freedom instantly captures imaginations. Meme coins live at the intersection of culture, technology, and human psychology. They offer not just financial hope, but emotional expression for supporters and critics alike. In this environment, a Trump meme coin isn't just a coin. It's a symbol, a statement, and a potential opportunity for savvy traders who know how to ride waves carefully. But with opportunity comes serious risk, and that's where beginners need to slow down and think critically before diving in head first. Let's go through the real risks you need to know. First, extreme volatility. Meme coins are incredibly volatile, often swinging wildly within hours or days based purely on headlines, tweets, or viral posts. Prices can jump 300% in a day, only to crash 90% the next. If you buy late, thinking you are catching the wave, you could end up with massive losses instead. Second, regulatory attention. Governments worldwide are starting to scrutinize politically themed cryptocurrencies more closely. Trump's meme coin could easily become a target. If regulators decide the coin is misleading, fraudulent, or politically dangerous, they could ban it from exchanges or launch investigations that tank its value. Third, lack of fundamental utility. Right now, there is no clear roadmap suggesting that Trump's meme coin solves real-world problems or offers lasting value. Coins that rely purely on hype without strong use cases tend to fade away after the initial excitement dies down. Many investors are left holding worthless tokens. These are serious risks, and if you are just starting out, you need to recognize that meme coins are among the highest-risk crypto assets you can buy. However, where there is high risk, there can also be high reward, if you play smart. Early-stage momentum can create short-term trading opportunities. Sharp traders who buy early and sell strategically can make strong profits in short windows. If the coin manages to tie into broader projects like merchandise, media platforms, or decentralized finance initiatives, it could find staying power beyond meme status. Additionally, if a passionate, organized community forms around the coin, it can generate organic growth that extends the life of the project. Communities like Dogecoin's Doge Army show how grassroots support can turn jokes into legitimate economic forces when properly nurtured and expanded. Still, community alone cannot save a bad project forever. Smart investors look for projects that offer both passion and a plan, not just temporary hype. Are you starting to see why understanding the full context is so important? If yes, then you are already ahead of 90% of beginners who jump into projects blindly and hope for the best. Whenever you hear about a new meme coin, especially one tied to a celebrity or political figure, your first instinct should not be, how much can I make? Instead, ask yourself, what am I risking? What's the worst-case scenario? Can I afford to lose this investment entirely and still be okay financially? If the answer is no, you should rethink investing in meme coins, or at least limit your exposure to small, manageable amounts. Another smart move is setting predefined profit-taking strategies. For example, you might decide to sell 50% of your holdings once your investment doubles. Or you might set specific price targets and exit points so that you are not making emotional decisions in the heat of market madness. Having a plan before you invest turns chaos into manageable opportunities. It removes the emotions that destroy so many beginner portfolios. Speaking of beginner mistakes, let me ask you, have you ever felt overwhelmed trying to figure out which coins are worth buying and which are pure hype? Have you worried that you are too late, too inexperienced, or too underfunded to succeed in crypto? If so, you are not alone. Every smart investor felt that way at the beginning. The difference is they found the right guides, strategies, and communities to help them. That's why I want to invite you to take the next step. If you are serious about learning how to spot real opportunities, avoid deadly beginner traps, and build a strong, diversified crypto portfolio, you need structured education. And that is exactly what you will get inside the Intelligent Cryptocurrency program. This program is designed specifically for beginners who want to invest smartly, not emotionally. It lays out a clear, step-by-step roadmap for building long-term crypto success. Inside, you will learn how to identify real opportunities beyond the hype, understand market cycles and time your entries and exits, secure your assets properly to avoid hacks and scams, build a diversified portfolio that can weather volatility, manage emotions and stay disciplined when markets get crazy. Plus, you will get access to a private community of supportive, like-minded investors, all focused on learning, growing, and succeeding together. If you want to stop guessing and start investing with clarity and confidence, click the link in the description now and join us inside Intelligent Cryptocurrency. There has never been a better time to equip yourself with real knowledge, especially as meme coins and media hype reach new extremes. Even if you do not join today, I want you to remember this. Always prioritize education over emotion. Always think long-term. Always protect your future. Crypto rewards the prepared mind, not the impulsive heart. Thanks for being here today, and congratulations on taking your first step towards smarter crypto investing. I will see you in the training.